Welcome to day 1 of our 30-day weight loss challenge. I'm thrilled to embark on this transformative journey with you. As we kick off, it's all about setting the foundation for a healthier, happier you. So, are you ready to embrace change? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our tribe of wellness warriors. Together, we'll navigate through this exciting journey, taking one step at a time. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step, so let's make the next 30 days count. The first step in any successful weight loss journey is setting clear and achievable goals. It's about knowing where you want to go and having a roadmap to get there. Consider what you genuinely want to accomplish in the next 30 days. Maybe it's shedding a few pounds, or perhaps it's about feeling fitter or even embracing healthier eating habits. Whatever your goal, put it in writing. Scribble it down in a journal. Remember, your goals should be specific, measurable, and realistic. Now, let's talk about meal planning. It's an essential part of a successful weight loss journey. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you make healthier food choices and resist the urge to reach for unhealthy snacks. Imagine a plate filled with a variety of vibrant fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. This balance is key to nourishing your body and fueling your weight loss. So, for the upcoming week, plan your meals. Create a shopping list and make sure your kitchen is stocked with nutritious options. Finding time for exercise is crucial for weight loss. It's about creating a routine that syncs with your lifestyle. Perhaps you're an early bird who thrives with a sunrise jog, or maybe you're a night owl who prefers a post-dinner workout. No matter your preference, it's about carving out that time each day. So let's pencil in those workouts. Write them down, set reminders, do whatever it takes to keep these fitness appointments. Remember to treat these appointments with the same importance as any other commitment. Lastly, let's touch on the power of mindset. A positive, determined mindset is your secret weapon in this weight loss journey. It's not just about the number on the scale, but the healthier, happier you that emerges from this process. There will be ups and downs, but remember, every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. So right now, close your eyes. Visualize your success. Imagine yourself reaching your goals and embracing the positive changes in your life. Congratulations on completing day 1. You've taken the first step on an incredible journey towards a healthier, happier you. Small steps lead to big changes, remember that. As we look forward to tomorrow, we'll dive into our nutrition boot camp. So gear up to fuel your body with the right foods. If you're eager to share your goals or have any burning questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Stay motivated, stay focused, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2.